Salts. A salt is a combination of an anion of an acid, and cation of a base. Cation of a base. Anion negative charge and cation positive charge. Example: potassium chloride, sodium nitrate, calcium sulfate. These are the examples of salt. Salts are usually prepared by the neutralization reaction of an acid and a base. Salts are usually prepared by the neutralization reaction of an acid and a base. Let's see. First example of salt, potassium chloride. It is formed by the reaction of acid and a base. Okay. So KOH, potassium hydroxide, it is K is positive charge, potassium, and chloride is negative charge. So it is made from potassium hydroxide, and chloride is comes from hydrochloric acid. So anion of acid means chloride, and cation of base means potassium chloride. When acid base react, they both neutralize each other. That's why it is also called neutralization reaction. Okay, and what will be formed? Salt is formed. So potassium chloride and H2 is formed. Second, NaNO3. So NaOH, comes from NaOH, that is base, and NO3, HNO3, nitric acid. Negative charge of anion of acid and cation of base, NaNO3, sodium nitrate, like this. Next is calcium hydroxide, calcium sulfate salt. Calcium comes from calcium hydroxide and sulfate H2SO4, and when they will react, they both neutralize the effect of acid and base. Then what will form? Calcium sulfate, CaSO4 and H2O. Okay, so we can say that a salt is a combination of acid, anion of an acid, and cation of a base. Salt is a combination of anion of an acid and a cation of a base. Okay. Most common salt is NaCl, common salt. Sodium chloride is referred to as common salt because it is used all over the world for cooking. NaCl. Chemical formula of common salt is sodium chloride, NaCl. Let's discuss about baking soda. Baking soda is mainly used for baking purpose. The chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate, and the formula of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. Now, preparation of baking soda. It is prepared by reaction of cold and concentrated solution of sodium chloride, means NaCl, common salt, with ammonia and carbon dioxide. You can remember like this with the help of formula sodium hydrogen carbonate. So it is prepared by the reaction of cold and concentrated solution of sodium chloride. Na comes from sodium chloride with ammonia, NH3, and carbon dioxide. Okay, when these substances react together, sodium chloride, ammonia, water, and carbon dioxide, then sodium hydrogen carbonate means baking soda is formed, and ammonium